Hello. Becky Cohen here, your platinum leader and trainer. You guys, I'm going to go over Google Business. Hopefully, I've learned enough myself to share this with you. So, you guys should be using Google as your browser anyways. So, you're going to pull open a new tab and you can see I got all kinds of tabs open, but we're just going to go from a regular tab and you can access this where we're going to go from your Gmail, just so you know. Okay. But you see over here on the right-hand corner of your Google tab open, right? It's just a plain access tab. Here is your apps, right? Your Google apps. So we're going to open that up and you can see here is my Google business because I already have one. So I want you all to have a Google business. First and foremost, you guys, this is the biggest form of your social media that you are going to gain your clients from. So I think it is beneficial for all of you to have a Google business running in place, right? So what are we going to do? This shows us all of our apps. There's actually more. We're going to go to more. It's going to open you up. And as we go through, we're going to come all the way down. There's all kinds of things here, you guys. Google just has all kinds of stuff for us to utilize. We're coming all the way down. We're going to find the business section, right? So I hope I can find it. All of these, again, more apps. And here it is for business, for business. So we're going to open this one up. And there it is, your little icon for your little house, right? Your little business, your business house. And again, now, since I already have one, I'm going to have to put in something different this time, which is fine. And we can do that. So you guys are going to come here. You can see where it says manage now, top right-hand corner, or over here towards the bottom left, whichever one, pick on one, go ahead, open it up. You can see, again, like I said, I have a couple different ones already going, correct? Right. So we're just going to build a generic one. I'm going to add a business. I'm going to add a single business. And now this is what you guys are going to do. This is where you're going to go. It may not, that last page may not open up the same way mine did right here. It may open up to something totally separate, because I already have businesses in there. As you can see, I've tried to do this before. So again, we're back here adding a single business. We're going to open it up. You guys are going to type in the name of your business. So hopefully you've branded yourself already. You've got a name going. And when you are looking at to do this, I always say, maybe go to GoDaddy and see if the domain name is taken of your business. Okay. So maybe you might want to do that first. So I'm just going to put in my sail away travels. Okay. I'm going to create it. Okay. So obviously it went right in. So you guys are going to do something of the same. I guess I could have like, you guys remember this is a business. So it's a business name. I'm always thinking it's something different. So let's do it like this, right? You want it to be defined. Or I'm just going to actually take out my, okay. Add your business to Google. There we go. Now we're going to type in the business name. Was it travels or travels? Okay. I'm going to create it. And what are we? We're a travel agency. It's going to come up. Where did it go? Must be way up top. Agency. There it is. Okay, that's the one you guys are going to pick. Agency. Yay. Then you're going to hit next. Do you want to add a location like a store or office? because this will show up on Google Maps. Yes, this is a whole different way now. They've started mapping it. So yeah. What's the address? You guys have to put in the address. So again, we are going to put in my address. Here it is. Okay. Put in your address. Do you provide deliveries or home office visits? No. Because we don't go to them. So no. Okay. Now we're going to add a contact phone number. And here is where I want to get a Google Voice going. And then you guys, for right here, if you don't already have a GoDaddy website, which you probably don't, or a domain name with a URL, you are going to put in your Evo address here, right? So where are you going to find that? You're going to go to your back office. You're actually going to go to your website. I could have just gone to my website. It's right here. But here is your Evo website, right? It's up in the browser. So you would go ahead and you would copy that. And now I'm going to take it back to my Google Business and I'm just going to paste it in there. See, there it is, right? And then we're going to hit next. Choose a way to verify. So we actually don't want to, for some reason, it's doing weird things for mine. It should have us verify through the mail, and that's what you want. If you guys get it, because again, I already have businesses set up. So when it comes to here to verify, as well as one of those other pages, you guys are going to want it to show that you want to get a postcard in the mail. All right. So I'm just going to, I'm going to see what happens here. And we might end up with a problem. I might end up with, so I got my code 445045. Okay. All right. It says it was accepted. Now you got to pick your days. So you want to be open on Sundays. And when you come in here, I'm open usually 24 hours. Okay. So you can always come in and change whatever you need to change. There is, just so you guys know, let's see, I'm going to open up on Sundays. Let's open at noon and let's close at 4. Because Sundays should be a day of rest. Okay. Or Saturdays. Okay. So add messaging. Yeah, we want to add the messaging. Yep, absolutely. So call history. Do you want to have that on? Call history to see about who's called you. Absolutely. Yep. We want to be following all of the information. Now you can add a description about your company. So, available to see, available to research and execute the best vacation can't spell, sorry. I always like get business trip you need. Something like that. And again, you guys are going to be able to obviously come back and add or, take away, whatever, change that up, right? Let's hit next. We're going to put in photos because yes, you want to have photos. I don't know that I have any on here. I'm going to put in this photo because we are doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. We're doing that. Let's see, what do we got here? What's this? We got more bingo cruise stuff going. So I'm going to go ahead and add all those in. I don't have a whole lot of, what's this one? Right. I don't have a whole lot of other just photos here. Because I am on my desktop and I don't save anything. Let's go to the desktop, or I mean, I'm on my laptop. So maybe I have a couple here. Here, that is not a very good picture, but it is a picture. So I'm just going to go, and you guys can see that you're just going to add in, whatever, add in some pictures here. Feel free to do that. Add in as many as you want so that people can see some pictures. Here's one of Belize. We like it, right? All right. So then we're going to hit next. We're not going to do this. Yeah, they make it look interesting and fun and fabulous. You get to claim $500 of free advertising, but you know what? You've got to spend $500 first, and then they give you $500. So I'm not going to tell you again to spend money. So we're skipping that, right? Your edits will be visible once you're verified. So hopefully if you do that through the mail, it'll allow you to get verified right away. And here is what it opens up to be. Now you can come in here and edit your profile even again more. You're going to be able to come into locations. You want to add in more locations, and you can. So now I can take out my street location if you want to, right? And just have Junction City. You're going to service your area. Oops, let's cancel that. Okay, so let's see, what did we do? All right, so we're at location. We can Junction City, save. Oh, they want us to have our street address. Okay, save. Okay, we can add service. What is it doing? Save. Okay, now we can add a service area. So look, we can use all of these, but we're gonna actually put in like Kansas City, right? We're gonna put in, and it doesn't matter. You guys can put in anything. Let's see, what's another good one? We're gonna put in, I like to put in Houston, Texas. Why not? We're gonna put in, what's another good one? Let's put in Albuquerque. Aberdeen, Albuquerque, because I spelled it wrong. We're going to put in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're going to think of where people are. We're going to put in Phoenix. We're going to put in, I'm in Junction City, Kansas, remember? Might put in somewhere in Oklahoma City. Oklahoma City. Let's put in somewhere in Baton Rouge. Let us go with Omaha. And you guys can come in here and add more. I think you can have up to 10. So I'm just going to go ahead and save those for now. All right. Add more hours from the business as okay. So this is a woman owned because it's me. So you can select anything that has to do with you there. Let's see, accessibility. About showing attributes to your business. These may appear on your public search. Okay, well, that doesn't really apply to us. So we're going to cancel that one. What's the amenities? Let customers know more about your business by showing these may appear. Has neutral, oh, again, that doesn't apply to us. What's our crowd? Our crowd, do we care, right? Okay. Right? We want to not, okay. Offerings, what are we offering? Let customers know more about your business. So has passport photo service? No, we're gonna cancel that one. What's our planning say? Appointment required. Depends on whichever you want to go. No, appointments not required. Service options. Oops, sorry, I didn't save that one. All right. Service options. Let customer offers online appointments. Yes, no, because I don't want them coming to me, right? So there's how we do that. When online appointments is if you want to get on Zoom and do a Zoom with them, okay? So about, make sure that we have all of that. We've got our description. We've got some locations. We've got our hours. We did all that. Yay. Okay. So that was here. We can actually have people review us. Can have people message us, turn our messages on. We want that. You guys, we added photos, advertise. We can always come in here, and if you wanted to advertise, you can. Okay, so we're gonna advertise. If you have a different website, you can advertise it there. I'm not gonna advertise my Evo website. Okay. Sure, we like that. Next. Okay. This is the ad campaign. So I'm kind of gonna like just go back out of here. Where did it take us? Okay. Edit our products. We're just gonna look. You guys, we don't really have products, so I'm gonna skip that one. Our services. Now here's where you can add in a bunch of services. What do you do? Group cruises. This is the one I want to hit touch base on. Whoops, group cruises. Group cruises. Okay. Wedding destinations. Okay. All inclusive resorts. And then you can you can come in and add more, right? Whatever you wanted, rail, vacations. Okay. Theme parks. Whatever you want. And you can come in here and add tons to it, right? So you can continually add to here. Now, if you wanted to add more in here, you can make them understand. If you want to give them a little bit more of information about your group cruises, you can do that. We put together, this is what I'm going to say. Group cruises for many different oh, I can't even spell. See, you guys got to watch me. Many different occasions. Such as, and I'm just going to name some, such as bingo cruises, family reunion. Family reunions, weddings. And more, whatever, right? Yay. Right? So that's what you can do. So you can add in, so wedding destinations, you could put in something like, we know the best destinations. Sorry, guys. For your wedding. Okay. And then of course, like I said, you can just come in and play around with this all the time. You can change it up. So for all-inclusive resorts, join the spring break vacation all inclusive. I'm just going to say swim up. Join the spring break vacation all inclusive swim up suites in your favorite destination, in your favorite. Yeah. Again, whatever you want to put in here. I'm just putting stuff in here just to have it in here. I spelled destination wrong. So we have to go back and fix that. Oh my gosh. I can't even get it right, you guys. Sorry. Destination. There. Okay. So you kind of get the idea, right? You can come in here and do that. That's your edit services. Q&A, book and call, add an update. Here's where now you can add an update. You want to add a mock booking, add a description. So I'm going to go and I'm going to find a mock booking of mine. Let me go out of here. Let me come into a page. Let's just go find my socialmonials because I have a couple that are going out in my socialmonials that we're going to look up. Let's get a good one that I just made. Like this one. Not that one. I think they already all went. So how about this one? I'm going to copy this. Okay. Copy. And I'm going to bring it back in here, add a description. So this is going to be Sandals Resort. And then, oops. This is Granada. I always forget how to. I'm going to add a button. And remember, in your Google Business, you can't have your paste it in there. See, we have all kinds of room to put all kinds of stuff, right? So I have all of this in there. Just make sure it's on there. I guess I didn't need to. I was thinking something weird. I don't know. Sandals Resorts. Okay. So we've got it all in there. And then because you can't have contact me to book now, that's fine. And you're going to add a button. So you want them to do whatever. You want them to book, you want them to buy, you want them to learn more, or you want them to call now, right? And now we're going to add our picture. And now I'm going to go back off and get my picture because I think I got rid of it. I have to put this one. I always like, you don't want a whole bunch of stuff on your desktop or your laptop or whatever. So now I'm going to find it again. Come back. I'm going to find it on my desktop. It should be there. Dun, dun, dun. Somewhere here it is. I don't even know. Let's see, we have to like go through. Am I on my desktop? Yep. Sorry, guys. It's probably this top one. Hey, yay. Right, there it is. All right. And now we post it. And you know what? You can add more photos. I think you can add up to 10. That's pretty cool. So you could put in a lot of photos doing it like this, which is way good. So now you're done and there's your post. See, call now. Only visible to me because it's not active yet, right? When it is active, you're going to be able to come in here and actually look at it over here, edit our business information. And that's where we went when we were doing our edit our profile and adding our different towns and stuff. So just know, and hopefully this was kind of helpful, you guys. That's as simple as it is. I know mine was different because I already have businesses. So you guys know that there are going to be a couple of different things that yours are going to ask you. There is one question in there that asks you, are you an online store? No, you're not an online store, but you are a place that people or that you work, I don't even know what it says. No, you're not an online business, but you are a store with a commodity. So there's 3 questions. You want to pick the center one. All right. And then when it gets to the verification, you definitely want them to be sending you that verification through the mail. You don't want the phone call verification because that's the one that kind of like holds you up, I believe. So I'm not sure what we've got going on, how they're going to like verify this business of mine. If they do, great. Now I have 3 businesses that I get to look at, use available soon. So I will have to keep on coming back. When I now go into, I should have more than one business. It should show up in my businesses and as we manage, and there it is. See? Pending edits, which is fine. So it might be visible. It's just pending all those edits. So that's pretty cool, right? So make sure you're checking back. You guys, where do you actually find this at? And again, where are you going to find it? Now you're going to open. If you've just got an open tab, you can find it right here in your dots, in your 9 dots. That's where you're going to find it. I always go through my Gmail. Now, because I'm always in my Gmail and it says right here, they can message me directly. I need to go out and get a Google Voice, but here is your dots. Here's my businesses. Here it's going to bring it up again. Here's all of my businesses, you guys. Yes, I already have one. We already have them verified. This is my daughter's address. So there it is. Okay. I've already got one up and running. Now I have 3. Yay. You guys do it. Have more than one. Open them up. You know, if that's the case, because you get 10 towns, you get 10 cities that you can have in when you edit your business information here, we can add in and see, I got a big description going. I have my Away From Home Travels website. And then of course we can edit that if you wanted to, but come in here and make sure that you're editing your location. That's your location. You can add service areas, and I don't have any in here, right? So let's put in, I don't even know. Let's go Portland, Oregon. Okay. Let's do Seattle, Washington. You guys just start. Let's do Detroit, right? Detroit, Michigan. We're going to do Junction City because that's where we're at. We're going to do Kansas City again. Or let's do Dallas. You guys just start putting in where do you want your people to come from, right? So For now, that's good. Okay. So say review and edit your business and to improve. You scroll down to confirm. It's like thinking. See what this one is doing. Make sure that one is up and running before you start up opening another one, you guys. This one's trying to think a lot. And then once you get it, make sure you are grabbing the review link and sharing it with us to review. So, let's see. We should be able to grab our review link. Read reviews. Ask for reviews. You guys, when you ask for reviews, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to copy this review link copied. And now you guys are going to take it wherever we need to take it, right? We are going to bring it into the community. And hopefully you guys are all in the community and you're going to come to the section that says help us grow, help each other grow. Okay. I'm going to put this in here. Hey, everyone. I can't spell. Everyone. Can you please give me a 5-star rating and review on my Google business page. Thank you. Right. Post. You guys, do you want to add a topic? Sure. Oh, no. Post without. I guess I need to put that in there. I need to do some admin stuff. So there you have it. So now you guys can come in. You can do that also. It'll click, it'll open up for us to write a review. Okay. Right. There I am. Okay. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I don't know. It is kind of different because I know Carmen just did it and she's going to be doing these live here in this next month. So hopefully you guys can watch a live version and ask questions as well. So thanks again. Here I am, Becky Cohen, Away from Home Travels, your team platinum leader and trainer.